Welcome everyone. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex board for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, what's up everyone? Today we are taking a look at EA Golden Elephant for MT4. This one pops up a lot when people search for gold robots, and the marketing around it is pretty bold. So let's break it down properly, starting with what the developer actually claims. Now, as once you open the site, you see claiming 290 to 362% over 24 weeks via trend reversal grid on gold USD. Says a live verified MT4 and MT5 gold trading system, but we'll check it out as we proceed. Now its price is listed at $49, discounted from $999 with the usual developers claim of trust seller my Facebook verified on Trustpilot, but we'll check them out as we go. Now the developer positioned this as a specialized gold trading system for gold USD. Said the algorithm is built to detect trend reversals on the gold pair M15 M5 time frame, filter out market noise, and generate precise entry points. According to them, once it spots what it thinks is a good reversal level, it opens a position, and if price moves against the initial trade, it starts a grid of orders. Now this reversal signal is confirmed by the super trend filter. If you are a long time viewer, you know who have done a video on this. Now if price moves against the initial trade, it starts a grid of orders, usually around 4, though they say is adjustable, with increasing lot sizes and no stop loss. The idea is that price will eventually come back, the whole basket closes in profit, and you walk away with a solid win. That's a pretty big claim. The market is as aggressive yet effective, claiming it can deliver over 100% profit per month on a single pair when used correctly. And they say this AI supports both MT4 and MT5 platforms. And we say MT4 build of 1340 plus or MT5, gold USD as the main currency pair. You can work on other currency pair. Like I said before, M5 time frame, although it's compatible with the M15 up to H1. Now it has a minimum deposit of $300, but they recommend a starting deposit of 1,000 to 2,000, 1,000 for aggressive, for conservative, and 2,000 for aggressive tiers. Now the leverage is a 1 to 500 minimum, which is already pretty high in my opinion, and 1 is to 1,000 optimal for grid recovery. Broker type very important, ECN or SCP preferred, with spreads less than 20 pips on average on gold USD. As always, VPS strongly recommended with a 50 ms latency. Now that's the core page you'll see on the pages promoting it. Reverse detection, noise filtering, grade recovery, and big monthly numbers. However, they caution high impact news events can impact the EA. Rapid reversal whipsaws can also affect the EA. And brokers with more than 20 pip spreads is also bad for the EA. They have their risk control methods. You can check all this out later on. Now, the most important thing, does it work? Going over the page, I see my Facebook results, but are mainly just screenshots. I could not find the link on the page, so all this is basically just hearsay from the developers. They said they did a historical live result from 2021. Now, I really don't want to look into this picture since it could be addicted. I'm not saying it is, but screenshots hardly moves me, and I really don't trust screenshots a lot. It would be more helpful if they drop them my FX book live signal link here. And we can see the developer here, Vitaly Vasilenka of EA Quantum Lab. We have a video on that. Now, like I said before, they said it has 290 to 262% growth in verified live accounts over 24 weeks using their proprietary trend detection algorithms combined with controlled grid recovery packages or system. And that is it for this EA. So once you download or pay for it, it comes with a preset file, conservative modes, moderate mode, aggressive modes, all calibrated for the different capital tiers as you can see here. Installation guide in case you need help setting up for Robo Forex, Tickme and IC market configuration, and the file itself X4 for MT4 and X5 for MT5. So no matter what platform you are using, you'll be sure to find it there. That's it on the EA. The recent verdict on this is historical performance shows have reward potential based on the screenshots my Facebook link pictures, not links, and is paired with a very high risk of large drawdowns or full account loss. As you can see here, 22.8% drawdown based on the picture. It's not a set and forget system you can leave unsupervised. If you're an experienced trader who understands grade and averaging strategies, you can fund at least $1,000. You are prepared to lose. Run it on a tight spread gold broker with a VPS and withdraw profits regularly instead of letting them compound. And you might experiment with it on a demo first and then a small live allocation. For everyone else, beginner, small accounts, anyone who need defined risk, people looking for something boyfriend friendly, this one is better left alone. The lack of a hard stop and the lot ramping nature make the risk asymmetric. As well, something that this cheap Forex EA is the page that you can download the EA on. If you do have the funds to buy and test it, do let us know in the comments how it works, whether it was worth the purchase, and whether you recommend it to others. That is the breakdown based on the developer claims and the historical test. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next, and don't forget to check out that free robot link in the description. It has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in for both MT4 and MT5. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.